What's up guys, Earl here with Yuga Tech, and in case you missed it, Realme recently launched an addition to the C series, the Realme C15. Now the brand is taking a step forward with the C12, packing that huge 6000 mAh battery, a massive display, and a triple camera setup at the back. So without any further ado, let's go and check this thing out. So opening up the box, we have a smaller yellow box which contains the manuals and SIM ejector tool. Then below that we have the phone itself, a micro USB cable, and a charger, and that's about everything. Now looking at the Realme C12 itself, it surely has the same look as the Realme C15 from its diamond cut design, square camera module and color, except that the Realme C12 comes in two colors, namely coral red and marine blue. In the hands, even though it is kinda heavy, it is still comfortable to hold. There's also no phone case included at the box, but no worries since this phone has a nice back finish that is not very prone to fingerprint smudges. Now located here also at the back is a triple camera setup, wherein you'll also find some Realme branding here, as well as the rear mounted fingerprint scanner. Flipping to its screen, we get a huge 6.5-inch HD Plus LCD display with an 88.7% screen to battery ratio, and it is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. It gets a mini drop notch at the center to house its 5-megapixel front camera and call speaker. Now sitting over to the right side of this device is the power and volume buttons, while located on the left is a dual nano SIM tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot that can support up to 256 gigabytes. The C12 doesn't have anything on top, meanwhile at the bottom you get a 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB port, and speakers. Talking about performance, powering the C12 is a MediaTek Helio G35 processor coupled with a PowerVR GE8320 GPU, 3GB of RAM, and 32GB of internal storage, and a massive 6000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging. Now for software, it runs on Android 10 skinned with Realme UI. For cameras at the back, it's got a triple camera setup composed of 13-megapixel primary lens, a 2-megapixel black and white, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. They're housed in a square camera module that stays flat when you place it on a flat surface. We'll go more in depth on its camera in our full review, but for now, take a look at these sample photos. So we don't have the local pricing and availability for the C12 as of the moment. But in India, it costs 8,999 Indian rupees. So if you convert that into pesos, it is around 5,800 for the 3GB of RAM plus 32GB of internal storage. We'll let you know once we have new information in the description box below. I am honestly not blown away by this device. I mean, sure, it's got that 6000 mAh battery, which is perfect for those people who spend most of their time on their smartphone. But keep in mind that it only comes with 10-watt charging. And for my first impression about this device, it is literally the same with the Realme C15 that we saw last time. Well, with some few differences that we might talk about in our review soon. So yeah, that's it for this video. What do you guys think about the Realme C12? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.